This tutorial will walk you through using IPAWS, FEMA's Integrated Public Alert and Warning System, which is a powerful way for emergency managers and public officials to alert the public quickly when emergencies arise within their jurisdiction. Customers needing to use IPAWS who do not already have the required certificates in place should apply to FEMA for the necessary certificates. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a center point on your IPAWS map, launch an IPAWS alert on the desktop. Users can launch an IPAWS alert on their desktop or through our mobile app. This tutorial will cover launching notifications on the desktop. While logged into your account, you will want to navigate to the Campaign Manager tab. To start a campaign, click New Public Campaign. Choose Service Only Campaign and Online Mapping Selection. Remember, IPAWS messages require a map. Click Next. To create a center point, enter an address, business name, or point of interest in the Center Map on Address box, directly above the map, and click Center. Alternatively, click on a point on the map which will become the center. The map to be used for the campaign can either be a radius from a point or a polygon. Use the shape selector at the top of the map to change shape types. This screen defaults to the use of a polygon. To create a polygon, click on the map to create the first point. Continue clicking points to include the desired area. It's important to note that a polygon must not have more than 100 points. In cases where multiple maps, shapes, are used, there must be no more than 10 shapes with a total of 100 points. To create a circle, click on the circle in the Shape selector. Click on the map to create a center point. Then click on another point to create a radius, and thus a circle. Regardless of whether a polygon or circle is used, the boundary of the shape must be fully contained within the alerting authority's jurisdiction. The map can be saved for future use, such as a floodplain or fire risk map. Enter a name in the Name for Selection box and click Save Selected Region. When the map is ready, click Start Campaign. Here you will see a boil water notification has been chosen. The message preview displays to the right, and the message can be edited by clicking Edit. To listen to the message, to check for clarity, for example, click Listen. To add a completely new message, click Add. Select IPAWS Live under Integrated Services. Your screen will look a little different than ours. The name on the IPAWS certificates will vary depending on the account. However, it should clearly show IPAWS Live somewhere in the name. The IPAWS settings screen will open. The WEA handling option will change based on the event type chosen. Severity, certainty, and urgency automatically default to the most severe option. The chosen message displays in a short and long format. Only the short English message is required, and all required fields have a red asterisk. FEMA recently updated the IPAWS capabilities to allow 90 and 360 character messages in both English and Spanish. Be aware, the two messages are not a continuation of each other. They are separate and must be treated as such. There are character counters beneath each box. The short English message must not be more than 90 characters. It will not be sent as is and must be edited to 90 characters or below. If Spanish is needed, the translation must already exist in the chosen message and will automatically populate in the correct box. The messages are displayed as is the start-stop time of the campaign. The stop time in this context refers to the time after which no further contact attempts will be made. Notice, an IPAWS Live campaign will start immediately. There is no option to delay the start. This is expected behavior and due to FEMA's IPAWS requirements. If everything is satisfactory, click Next. The screen displays the details of the campaign. Note that target list contact details show 0 contacts. This is expected behavior, as a services-only campaign is being sent to FEMA. The source and sender name lines display the details of the person initiating the campaign. However, here they are blocked for privacy. Continue to the IPAWS test confirmation box. The IPAWS test confirmation box ensures the user sends what they intend to send. Either test or live must be entered to continue. In the example above, live must be entered. Once entered, a confirmation will display, and the launch button will be available. The box is not case sensitive. Once the message is validated, the message above will display in green, and the launch button will light up. If live is entered when it should have been test, or vice versa, the arrow below displays. If anything other than test or live, or nothing at all is entered, the error below will display. This tutorial gives you the basics of what you need to know to launch an IPAWS alert on your desktop, but HyperReach customer service team is always available for additional support. Please reach out anytime.